You can be a winner if you plan ahead, especially in Onpassive. You gain the advantage in any situation through one medium, time. You can do things before they need to be done. You can position yourself ahead of time in the best place. Think ahead of any approach in action. Make a plan, and you have always had the advantage. Let your advanced worrying become advanced thinking and planning. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. In life, as in chess, forethought wins. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you, and have a blessed day.